Welcome to Travel Buddies. This channel is dedicated to show you the reality of life in Iran. This is what media doesn't show you, or perhaps doesn't want you to know. Of course, it's not easy to live with all the external forces, but this is what it is. Loving and peaceful people. So, if you want to know more about it, stay tuned. We'll take you on a journey to find out the truth. Hi everyone, what's up? Did you watch the previous video? What did you think? Let us know in the comments. Where do you think we're going today? Before we begin the journey, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and read the description because there are IDs for Instagram and Telegram. Today, we're going somewhere a bit different. And in order to know about it, you should know its name first. This area is called Imamzadeh Hassan. It means Hassan, the son of Imam, or vice versa. Imam Hassan, he was one of the holy people, religious people. So technically, this area is religious. The tradition and culture combined with religion, and they all live together in this area in south of Tehran. Nowadays, due to Imamzadeh Hassan market, this area has gained popularity. It's one of the oldest parts of Tehran. And the reason behind naming is the shrine of Imamzadeh Hassan. You don't have to be a religious person to visit this shrine, because it's also history, and if you're into that, you should check it out. And the art of engraving and calligraphy, it's just amazing. In order to get here, you can do it via Qazvin Street. It has more transportation. You can use bus or subway, but you will need to walk and change your transportation. The buildings are old, something like Qajar era. Anyway, Imamzadeh Hassan Market is known for being one of the first in the area, the south of Tehran, of course. And it has a lot to offer. It doesn't focus on one product, like one subject. Means you're able to find anything you desire, from clothes and bags to cell phones, jewelry, and etc. And another point is the pricing. It is a little better than other places. You can say it's more reasonable and suitable. Before it only had 2 malls and shops, but now it has more, like couple more. It has schools, institutes, gyms, and everything there is to be for a young person to be educated. If you like history, I suggest you look it up on the internet, because there's a story to be told. Imamzadeh Hassan is located in Aminul Mulk Street between Imamzadeh Masoud Bridge and Azari Crossing in 17th district of Tehran. I think that's a wrap for now. Enjoy the rest of the video. All the love, travel buddies.